Welcome to Tarun Tutorials. Our today's topic is measurements. Measurement in everyday life. Measurement of mass, measurement of volume, measurement of length, measurement of temperature. Need for measurement in physics. To understand any phenomenon in physics, we have to perform experiments. Experiments require measurements and we measure several physical properties like length, mass, time, temperature, pressure, etc. Experimental verification of laws and theories also needs measurement of physical properties. Physical quantity. A physical property that can be measured and described by a number is called as physical quantity. Examples: mass of a person is 65 kg, length of a table is 3 meter, area of a hall is 100 meter square, temperature of a room is 300 Kelvin. Types of physical quantities. First, fundamental quantities. The physical quantities which do not depend on any other physical quantities for their measurement are known as fundamental quantities. Examples: mass, time, length, and temperature. Second, derived quantities. The physical quantities which depend on one or more fundamental quantities for their measurement are known as derived quantities. Example: area, speed, volume, and force. Units for measurement. The standard used for the measurement of a physical quantity is called as a unit. Examples: meter, foot, inch for length, kilogram, pound for mass, second, minute, hour for time, Fahrenheit, Kelvin for temperature. The characteristics of units are well-defined, suitable size, reproducible, invariable, indestructible, and internationally acceptable. CGS system of units. This system was first introduced in France. It is also known as Gaussian system of units. It is based on centimeter, gram, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time. MK system of units. This system was also introduced in France. It is also known as French system of units. It is based on meter, kilogram, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time. FPS system of units. This system was introduced in Britain. It is also known as British system of units. It is based on foot, pound, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time. International System of Units, that is SI. In 1971, General Conference on Weight and Measures held its meeting and decided a system of units for international usage. This system is called as International System of Units and abbreviated as SI from its French name. The SI unit consists of 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. 7 fundamental units. Fundamental unit length. Its SI unit is meter and symbol is meter. Mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Symbol kg. Time. The SI unit of time is second, denoted by S. Temperature. SI unit is Kelvin and denoted by K. Fundamental quantity electric current. Its SI unit is ampere. Symbol A. Luminous intensity. SI unit of luminous intensity is candela, denoted by CD. Amount of substance. SI unit mole. Its symbol is MOL. Definition of meter. The meter is the length of the path traveled by light in a vacuum during time interval of 1 divided by 299792458 of a second. Definition of kilogram. The kilogram is the mass of prototype cylinder of platinum iridium alloy preserved at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris. Prototype cylinder of platinum iridium alloy. Definition of second. 1 second is the time taken by 91926317770 oscillations of the light emitted by cesium-133 atom. 2 supplementary units. First, radian. It is used to measure plane angle. As shown in the figure, theta is equal to 1 radian. Second, steradian. It is used to measure solid angle. As shown in the figure, omega is equal to 1 steradian. If you like today's video, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.